Welcome back to another video, and if you've never been to this channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to talk about the roof vent, the static roof vent that most buses have, or all buses have, behind the driver in the center of the roof. There's going to be a rainproof, stormproof vent, and a lot of people delete that vent. And I think that, you know, if you cannot delete it, it can serve many functions. But if you've got to delete it, you got to delete it. But for me, it was more important to work around it and utilize the functionality of it. So let's get into it. So the fan, 180 CFM, 120 volts. 6-inch blade, or 150 millimeter blades. It's only 48 dB, fairly quiet. 32 watts, brushless motor. The bus is 1,848 square feet. That replaces the air in the entire bus every 10 minutes and 20 seconds. The fan is controlled by a programmable module made by Tapo, and I can control it with Siri, Apple Home, basically all the ecosystems are bridged, so I can communicate, hey Siri, turn the fan on, and she should turn the fan on.
1 sec. Okay.
So she did. Another great thing about the fan is if for whatever reason I'm gone, some piece of equipment breaks down, Siri will turn the fan on if the temperature gets too warm. So to help ventilate the place. So it'll turn the humidifier on, it'll turn the fan on, it'll do everything it can all by itself to cool this place down if things go awry for whatever reason. Well, that's it. That's why I keep my fan, and I love it. I use it all the time for cooking, for just ventilating the bus. If I turn it on and I'm way at the other end of the bus, I can feel the air coming by me. It's incredible. So anyway, peace out.